Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking for a Helium 10 coupon code, I found an exclusive deal that gives you 35% off the Platinum plan for the first 6 months. Now here's the important thing to know. This deal only works through a special link, so if you go directly to the Helium 10 website, you probably won't see this offer. So in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to claim the discount step by step. First, scroll down and check the description for the exclusive link, then open that link. Once you open it, you'll land on the exclusive Helium 10 offer page where this promotion is available. When the page opens, you'll see a button that says 35% off 6 months Platinum. Just go ahead and click that button. You should also see the coupon code displayed on the page, and this code activates the 35% discount. After clicking the button, you'll be redirected to the Helium 10 sign-up page. Here, you'll notice that the coupon code is automatically applied, so you don't need to enter it manually. Now, create your Helium 10 account. Just enter your name, email address, and password. Or if you want to make it faster, you can sign up using Google. Then click Continue. After that, simply enter your payment details and complete the sign-up process. Once your account is activated, you'll get access to all the powerful Helium 10 tools. These include tools for product research, keyword research, competitor analysis, and listing optimization for Amazon sellers. These tools help sellers find profitable products and grow their Amazon business faster. So that's how you can claim the Helium 10 discount. And even if you miss this exact promotion, you should still check the same link because we regularly update it with the latest Helium 10 deals and coupon codes. Most of the time, these discounts are better than what you'll find if you go directly to the Helium 10 website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more software deals, coupon codes, and online business tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.